Today I would like to teach you how to crochet a corner-to-corner piece in half double crochet. You will also learn how to do increases as well as decreases.
Hi, my name is Nikki and I'm the creator of Nikki's Homemade Crafts.
Grab your favorite yarn and your favorite hook and grab the picture on my website. Link is in the description, and let's get started. In order to do half double crochet for corner to corner, you will need to do a chain of 5. When you do double crochet corner to corner, you will typically do a chain of 6. But this is half double crochet, so we'll do 1 chain less. Now we're going to start our first pixel right here. I have this little graph here that tells you exactly which direction we're going. It doesn't matter if you are left-handed or right-handed. You can make the arrows the way you like and work the directions that make you most comfortable. I'm just going to start right here. This is pixel number 1. So let's do just that for half double crochet. You have a chain of 5. The last 2 chains right here, so chain 4 and 5, are the same height as a half double crochet. We're going to place half double crochets in chain 1, 2, and 3. So do just that. You end up with a chain right here that's a chain of 2, and then you also have 3 half double crochets. Now we need to do our next pixel. We're going to go up. Right here, you're going to place your chain of 2. But in order to go over, you need to do a chain of 5. So what does that mean? I'll show you exactly what that means. Every time you increase, you need to do a chain of 5. Increasing means in this direction. Okay, so from whichever point you are starting, we started right here, this direction as well as this direction is a decrease. As soon as you change direction from going in this direction upwards to over, this would be then a decrease. Same over here. I'm going to go all the way over here until I hit here, and then I change direction. That means I need to decrease. But so far, we started pixel 1 and now we're going to pixel 2, 2, and 3. So I could mark them here, 1, 2, and 3. We are going in this direction. They're still part of this direction, so we are increasing, which means we needed to do a chain of 5. Just like you did the first pixel, chain 4 and 5 are the same height as a double crochet, so we're ignoring those. We're going to place a half double crochet in chain 1, 2, and 3 we made. So there we go. We made our second pixel. Now what you're going to need to do is we need to connect the first with the second pixel. What you're going to do is you're going to flip your first pixel over and you're going to slip stitch right into that chain space where that chain of 2 was that I mentioned earlier. Just right into it, you make a slip stitch. There you go. Let me show you from the other direction. So we had here our 3 half double crochets, and over here is our chain of 2. That's where we're placing our slip stitch into. Now we connected pixel 1 with pixel 2. So if you want to look at it from the graph perspective, we did pixel 1 and we did pixel 2. 1 and 2. Now we need to do pixel 3. Because we are not on the edges, we are not doing a chain of 5. We're in the middle of a diagonal row, so we're not increasing. We're in the middle of it, which means we're now just going to do a chain of 2. So when you're not increasing, you're doing a chain of 2, and you're placing your half double crochets into that same chain space. So not into any stitches, but into that chain space that you had created in pixel number 1. You're going to place 3 half double crochets right into it. There you go. Now we finished our pixel number 3. 1, 2, 3. Now again, we're increasing. We are on a diagonal row number 3, which means over here we need to increase. That is pixel number 4, 5, and 6. Because we're still in the same direction, we still need to increase for pixel number 4. Pixel number 5, same as pixel number 3, is in the middle of the row. We're not going to do an increase, we're going to just do the chain of 2. The same is true with pixel number 6. So let me show you what that actually means. So you're doing a chain of 5 because we are increasing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You're going to ignore chain 4 and 5. And now you're going to place a half double crochet, one in each over here. Chain 1, 2, and 3. That is pixel number 4. We now need to connect it over to the next pixel. The chain space is right here. That's where we're doing our slip stitch into. There we go. Now, because we need to do a normal pixel within the same diagonal row, but there's no increase over here, we're going in the same direction, and we're in the middle of a row, we're just doing a chain of 2. Chain of 2 for half double crochets. Again, into that chain space right here, you're placing your 3 half double crochets. Now again, you need to slip stitch to the next pixel to connect it. Now we made pixel number 5, so let me hold it like this so you can see. This is pixel 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and now we have to do one more up here, which is pixel number 6. You do a chain of 2, and then you're going to place your 3 half double crochets right into that chain space. So now we maxed out, according to our graph, our direction, which means we ended up at the corners right here. So for rectangle ones, that would be slightly different. Of course, you stop at a different point, but in this case, you stop at the same time because it's a square. So we went all the way over here. We finished our pixel in that specific direction on both of these. Now we're changing directions. Now we're over here. So we're not going upwards anymore. We change directions. We are in this diagonal, which is diagonal number 4. So we're going to do pixel number 7 and 8. And we're going to do a decrease because we're not going in this direction anymore or this. We're changing directions. Okay? So we now need to flip here. And instead of doing our chain of 5, we need to do a slip stitch in each of the 3 stitches we just made. So we're now going in this direction. That is a decrease. So when you do decreases, you need to do a slip stitch in each of the 3 half double crochets that you just made. Now we're going to do our chain of 2. No more increases, so chain of 2 after you did your slip stitches, and you're going to place your half double crochets as you normally would in that chain space. Again, you need to connect it to the next pixel with a slip stitch. We now made pixel number 7. Now let's work on pixel number 8. Chain of 2 and the 3 half double crochets right into that chain space. Again, connect it to the next pixel so that they're attached. We finished pixel number 8, as you can see over here. So pixel 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. We're now flipping, and because we're still in the decreasing phase, again, we're going to do our slip stitches. So here's the pixel we just did. We need to do our slip stitches into those half double crochets we just made. Now we need to do our very last pixel, which is pixel number 9 in the diagonal row 5. So you chain 2 and you do your half double crochets right into that chain space like we normally do. Again, slip stitch to the next pixel over. You now can see that we finished our square. So you learned how to do half double crochets for corner to corner. You learned how to increase, so it can be a rectangle too. This happens to be a square. And you learned how to do decreases in order to make sure you come back to the corner. So you're working from corner to corner. So hopefully this tutorial was very helpful to you on how to do half double crochet for corner to corner. Be sure to check out my website. There is a link in the description that shows you exactly how to do this part step by step in a photo tutorial. You also get this graph at the same time. Please like, comment, and share this video, as well as subscribe to my YouTube channel and turn on and click the little bell to turn on a notification so the next time I publish a new video or go live on my YouTube channel, you will get a notification and can join me and listen to my new video and watch it with me at the same time. And check out my website, and of course sign up for my newsletter, because I announce new exciting things to my newsletter subscribers first before anyone else knows. So make sure you sign up there. All the links are in the description, and be sure to check out my other videos in this playlist all about corner to corner. Until next time, bye!